Welcome to Lasting Power of Attorney, and we're here with Helen Girton, who's one of the private client solicitors at Alfred Truman's. Helen, when setting up the Lasting Power of Attorney, you said we need a certificate provider. What is a certificate provider and why do I need one?
Well, a certificate provider is a person that knows you well. It can be a personal friend or neighbour. It can be your doctor or some similar professional person. But they do have to know you, they have to see you with the form, and they have to ascertain from their own point of view that you understand what the form is, what it does, and whether you understand it, and in fact to decide whether you've been forced to do it or not. Once they're satisfied on all aspects, you've not been forced, you do understand it, they can sign it. So it's really intended to make sure that you're not being pushed into doing something you don't understand or that you don't want to do.
Why do I have to have someone to whom notice needs to be given?
Well, you don't if you have two certificate providers, but if you only have one certificate provider, then it's another arm in the process of making sure that you're not doing something that you don't want to do or that you're not capable of doing. And you can name a person who has to be shown in the lasting power of attorney as someone that you've chosen to have a notice. It can be more than one person, but that person then has the opportunity to speak to the Office of the Public Guardian and to say that we don't believe that this power of attorney should be given because perhaps the attorney is dead, the attorney is an undischarged bankrupt, the attorney themselves are mentally incapable, or because they think that the person giving the power isn't able to give it.
So Helen, thank you very much for having me in today and for sharing all your wisdom with us.
Thank you.
For all your lasting power of attorney needs, contact Alfred Truman Solicitors now in Bicester on 01869 360079 or in Buckingham on 01280 822217.